What are you doing today, guys? Probably not enough to get a Pokemon TCG Pocket hack for iPhone and Android. Let's open it up and check out 2,800 Poké Gold. I need more Poké Gold than that. So as you can see, guys, in the My menu, we can enable unlimited Poké Gold. So I'm going to do that, and let's see if it goes up. Alright, let's get that Poké Gold into the sky, bro. Where is it? Alright, no change. Depression. I'm needing more Poké Gold into my account. So let's see if it comes up. There you go, guys. So I'm going to show you how to get this onto your device. It works for iOS and Android, so you can do it on any phone, and you will have unlimited Poké Gold. So get down with me today. Go to tweakmod.com. It is a modded website, and just type in Pokemon. So go ahead and press install, and now it's going to start to download it. So at the end, guys, there will be a verification you have to do. This is the final step, and basically what you have to do is download 2 apps and follow the instructions, right? So they're 100% free from the official store, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. It's pretty easy. A lot of people hate on me and stuff, but I'm the only one that provides a real Pokemon TCG Pocket hack for 2025. So let's just see what happens. As you can see, it is loading right here. So just do our Apple and Android logos right there. So it does work on both. So as you can see, guys, it says missing files. So we need to download some apps. So there's going to be tons of these. You do not have to download all the apps, obviously. You only have to get 2 of them. So like Travel Town says reach level 9. So you just press continue. It takes you to the store. You download it, reach level 9. Or you could do a different one like TikTok. But this one you have to run the app for 3 days. So that's kind of stupid. There's also rewarded play. So there's a bunch of them. So once you do 2 of them, the Pokemon TCG Pocket mod should be in your phone. You can have unlimited gold, all these other settings as well. So it's pretty crazy. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out, bros. This is not my cup of tea, but I finally found one that works, so I can actually recommend it with no problems. So yeah.